urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Huron County, northwestern Richland County, southeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Crawford County, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Willard to near Chatfield, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bucyrus, Shelby, Willard, Plymouth, New Washington, Chatfield, Greenwich, Attica, North Fairfield, Tyro, and Sulphur Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I freaking knew it would get warm.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Huron, Richland, and Seneca.
Let's go!
This is no
I freaking knew it!